What's good, guys, and very big welcome back into the channel. Quick look at PEPE coin today. What's going to happen next for PEPE coin? Let's look at the bearish and the bullish. And also, if you're looking at other meme coins in the markets, I'm going to show you some other gems I think can do quite well. Now, firstly, huge congrats to people in the Discord that got in early on the AAA coin. That was insane. We're looking at 10x's, and of course the traders that are now starting to get some huge profits. If you do want some stuff like this, check out my Patreon down below. We've only got one crypto legend slot available and a few crypto champion ones. So if you want to grow your portfolio more, check out my Patreon group and it will help you get there. Now, PEPE itself is going pretty wild. We can see, look at this, on the market cap, just from 4.5 billion up to 8.98. And I still think we can tap in and beyond $10 billion, hit $10 billion, which was a huge target that we have been looking at for quite some time now, $10 billion. Very happy to see it get there. And still, when you think of it as a percentage of the share of the overall meme coin sector and a percentage of sort of Dogecoin, it's only like 15 to 20% of Dogecoin's market cap, and I still think this coin has got more potential than Doge itself. I just really like PEPE. Now, what a wild run it had. It really did almost hit that sort of next resistible barrier on this diagonal, but what really matters is that PEPE has now soared up towards its 1.618 Fibonacci target. It always somehow gets there, and that's where it usually stops, on that 1618 golden pocket. So really big price action here. Very bullish. We can see, looking at the daily, slight pullback and quite a big sell-off candle on this 24 hours. Moving to our 4 hours, we can see slight slip away still. We're pulling back a little bit for PEPE coin. It's now come down about 15%. You can see on the RSI it was very overbought. And usually when we look at this RSI, we start seeing these big euphoric tops. You know, we start thinking about taking profits off the table because the risk is maximizing and the upside potential is minimizing. So your risk goes up, but your upside potential is going down. So it doesn't really sort of make sense to keep so much on the table. You can also see last time on the daily RSI, when PEPE was this overbought, it did go down. I'm not saying it will go down this time, but I'm trying to be realistic here, guys, that FOMO and chasing green candles can become very dangerous. The fear and greed sort of emotions, that the cycles that come with it, the greed wanting more and the fear of sort of missing out, it can bite you quite quickly. Now, the good news is on the weekly time frame, we're still not overbought really that much, but you know, we want to see this weekly come up more before we start thinking, okay, this coin's starting to really top out. If we can see the RSI get up to around 80 this time on the RSI here, the weekly RSI, then perhaps then we can start to say, right, this thing is getting pretty cooked. It's going to cool off soon. But right now, there still could be upside potential. There still could be another all-time high written in for PEPE. It's very hard to say, but we might first of all correct a little bit. So I think PEPE is a good coin, and I think next bear market, this will be one to absolutely accumulate a lot of, and I'm talking about putting a lot into it, right? Not financial advice, but could be one that's very good. Also, if you're buying meme coins like PEPE, go and make sure you use CaseX, because it's no KYC, fully decentralized, and when you use my link, you're going to get bonuses. But the perfect thing here is, guys, look at the spot, look at the futures fees, 0%. This exchange has just set the record for having the lowest fees in the crypto market. So I don't really know what else to say about it, but it's got the lowest fees, which keeps more money in your pockets over time. And at the end of the day, that's all that matters. So, right, PEPE, parabolic, looking good. What also happened is there was the Coinbase listing, of course. You can already see volume-wise, this is climbing up to the 5th largest volume provider for PEPE. So what a great play that was. It's really helped, and overall it's created some sustenance here with the bump. Quick one as well, PEPE Unchained pre-sale ending in just 28 days now, so you don't have long until this one is over. 0.01281 is the price. 28 days, guys. That's it. They've raised 29.5 million. All you need to do to buy this is connect a MetaMask wallet. I've dropped the link down below for you guys to do some research on it, but they will list on tier 1 exchanges, so you could speculate Kraken, Huobi, maybe Binance, maybe even Coinbase, depending on what's going on behind the scenes. It's definitely a big one that's cooking up 50.6k followers, and it's a big layer 2 PEPE alternative. We've also got the very feisty No Man's Land movement mission coin, now cooking up to $7.6 million on the market cap. I do think we'll see another 20% move for this coin today. Very bullish. Liquidity is looking good. The price action is solid, and that's all because of this news. So Dan Eggington will arrive in Brazil for his first mission, his philanthropic movement through the Amazon, through Colombia, through the favelas. Yes, he's doing all these crazy things. Basically on the 17th of this month, they've got a 5% burn coming on the supply that just hit 6 billion market cap, and they're just getting started. They're going to burn another 35% over time. So this is really one that you want to, personally, in my opinion, hold for a long period of time. It's a long game. It's not a short game. It's a longer game, and hopefully early buyers will be rewarded in the future. Check out No Man's Land also down below. Now, of course, crypto is a volatile space. We don't know what's going to happen with Pepe. We don't know what's going to happen with any of these coins, but we know that right now meme coins, you know, it's the narrative. It's where things are very, very hot. And of course, don't forget to check out the Patreon if you want to. All the details are there for you, and I'll see you very, very soon, guys. Peace.